Hey guys, I just want to share with you today how I organize my files. Here is there are lots of files of FLAC. It's a music file. It's called lossless file. It has the same quality of the CD quality. It has the CD quality, but it's like crunched. It's kind of zipped together, so you get lower size for the file. And just yesterday I was going through all my files, for example as Cooper, and I renamed everything, but I had like strange files. I have like in brackets name in brackets I have the number of the song, then I have space dot space name of the song, space dash name of the author like Alice Cooper, and I just wanted to just kind of make it nicer. And I found this program to rename to batch rename all the files. It's called Advanced Renamer. You can just Google it, and let's do it. Yeah, here it's free, and you can just download here, and it's super nice. Trust me, I'm not lying. And here I'm gonna just show you how to quickly use it. For example, you go add here and add. We're not gonna, if you want to change individual files, but that's like useless because this program is like more used for directories. So you have like uh, thousands of files in different subdirectories and one main directory. You just go here and all the files gonna pop up. For example, Def Leppard, you see how many subfiles I have, like all the albums they made. And now I'm gonna organize this. I'm just gonna show you what it looks like. So this is the first album. It looks nice. Number of the song dash name of the song. And here's the first problem. Def Leppard, Rock Brigade. We want to get rid of this name and leave number dash name of the song. So we just deselect, just press the last file here and hold shift and press here and right click remove. So we have all these files here, and this one is messed up too. Here they have dots and stuff. I don't like that. And here this one is okay, so I'm gonna delete it. Remove. It's not removing you from hard drive, just from this program, so don't worry, the files are still there. And you can also delete all these other files. Usually what works is just go here, list, and remove items without ID tags. Those tags are for like songs, and so everything else like JPEGs and text files are removed. And we have here our stuff, and just select all, mark unmarked selected, okay, because we're just gonna work on first batch, because all the rules we're gonna make are not working for everything, for all the, because they have like different naming system. Like here is dot, and here is the name that you want to get rid of. So we just select the ones you're gonna work on, where the files that have like mark here, and just mark selected. Okay, so this is the first album that we're gonna fix. And here I was like just using this, and it was stored in the system. So you can add method here, and I just add replace, and I replace underscore with space. You just put space or just leave it blank, so it's gonna just delete it. Then replace dot with a space, for example. So you put dot here and you put space here, otherwise the names are not gonna be separated. So you just go here and put space, and that's one, and then you can enable here. add or remove pattern. This is what I use to remove names, the text that I don't want from the files. And we can go Def Leppard. You can see it's in all the files, and we can just follow this and press space dash space, right? Because there's like name dash space dash space, so we're gonna mimic that. So we're gonna have like clean files with no space in front of the numbers, and just enable it. And here is the result. Here is the original, here is the result, and you see like we have like the number of the file, and then dash space name of the file flag. So you just go here and just it's gonna just convert the files. And let's go, which album is that? Open container folder to check if it really works. So you see now you have that. You can just go here also and copy and paste and copy it here if you don't want to type it. So you go, you have all selected, you have the rule enabled, you're gonna remove pattern, remove these letters and space and dash and space, and just start a batch. And okay, and start. And here, this is the result. So it works perfectly. So we just go here, just remove it. Then we have another batch, and we have like all the rests of the batches are same. They have file name numbers, and then dot space and the name of the song. So we want to remove the dot and put the dash instead, so everything is consistent. All the files are consistent, and I'm doing that. And just select all, Control A, and mark selected. And this is easy because we're gonna use the same rule for all these albums. And we're not gonna use this, we're gonna use replace. Here there's all commands. New case, you use this if you want to put all the names in capitals, or just use the first, put the first letter of the word in capitals, or put everything in regular fonts and stuff like that. Move, I haven't used this, probably move to another location. Remove pattern, that's the same as before. Renumber, haven't tried this because all the names are numbered, but basically what it does is just numbers your file from 0 to infinity. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. List, I haven't tried this. Add is to add a letter or a space, or it's really fun. Okay, I'm just gonna show you. Replace, we're gonna replace, oops, yo, okay, so this one already has the dot, and we're gonna just replace the dot with space, right? Yes, you can use 2 space, 3 space. You see how much space you get here. So we want, okay, we can replace. You have to always look at the same time how it's gonna look. So we can replace dot with space dash, and the space was already there, so we don't need another space. So everything's gonna be like perfect. 05 space dash space Hellraiser. So it looks perfect, and then you just do start batch. 42 items. Rename. So what I have here also is want to show you, you can add, for example, you can add space or letter or number, like just press space and at index at the third position, third letter, there's gonna be space, and you can just play with which position you want, and it's really nice. Then we have list. I don't know what this is. Oh, load the list. Okay. Haven't used that. Trim. You can trim the file name. Yeah, trim the characters. You know, remove all the unwanted characters, for example. Haven't used that one too. So basically, this is how you do it. And all the files, they were a mess before, and I cleaned them all. So when you connect your amplifier on your TV, you have all these beautiful names. But before it was like name of the album, name of the artist, and then you couldn't see the name of the song. So I cleaned them all up. You see, like everything is cleaned. I just selected the top folder, ACDC, for example, and all the files in this on these subfolders were like open up, and then I just, like I show you, I selected the ones I wanted to repair and rename and stuff like that, and play with that. So basically that is it. Really easy and quick. And what else can I say? This is a perfect program that you can use for other files, like renaming images. Here is also a list. You can remove clear the list if you have like some files open, for example. Add directories. Here you can clear the list. Remove without the ID tag, so it's gonna remove all the files without the tags. I told you that before. Without image information, so probably this is for if you have a lot of images and you want to mass rename them. You just remove everything else that's not an image, and this is to clear the list. And that's how this program works. It's fantastic. It like saved a lot of time for me, and I just loved it. Thanks, guys.